Alright, so there's a request for me to demo the PX jacks that I design and build. So here it is. I designed it to be very portable, that it can fit almost anywhere. Actually, I designed it to fit right here with a leather strap. So when I ship it to you, I'll give you this leather strap for free. Obviously, you have to make a hole on your seat. And this is a pretty standard PX element style of seat, I think. But even if you don't want to put it here, it's about 6 inches and it can easily be stored away. In fact, the first toolbox I made for this. So this is a toolbox that I attached there, and I made it for there. But then I decided to put it there anyway, so that this can be free to hold some of my tools. So here is the jack. It's a lot harder to do this with 2 hands, but yeah, here we are. So you have 3 parts. You have the top that lifts the scoot, you have the grip and that sits on the base, and this is just a rubber boot that serves 2 purposes, because this is a Lazy Susan, a modified Lazy Susan bearing, and it's not sealed bearing. And so the rubber boot protects it from the elements, protects the bearings from the elements, and also helps you for the grip on the ground. And here is how you use it. So you have this half moon thingy, you put it on the end of the shaft absorber like that, and you just grip and twist. So it's like a grip twister, huh? And you can lift the bike like that. And actually I designed this also with a hole on the bottom part, so you can use a screwdriver like this for better leverage for those who still find this tedious. So you can do this, then it becomes really simple. See, with 1 finger. Yeah, you get the idea. And so the bike is lifted for cleaning or changing your wheels. And I don't need to demonstrate how it's taken out, but basically just the reverse. So here it is. It's very safe. It can safely extend up to 9 inches. Don't go beyond that, but you don't need to go beyond that, because I measured this to lift the bike. You just need around 7.5 inches maybe, depending on your tires. I'm using 3.5 by 10. So it's gonna be fine with the standard setup, I think. But even then, you can, as I said, you can leave it for about 9 inches off the ground, so that's plenty lifting capacity. So there you are. That's the PX screw type jack. Thanks very much.